in Python indentation section, I showed you how to use indentation with Python script. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Python indentation and how to understand that better in IDE. Okay, so I'm going to just remove this print statement from here. Okay, so up to here you didn't know, you didn't understand, or you didn't learn the thing like for loop or if statement and while loop, something like that. You don't know condition, anything about that. Don't be worried. Through the course I'm going to cover all of them step by step, so you will learn all of them and you will understand them in a better way and in a easy way. Okay, so here first I'm going to create a variable. So you don't know what a variable is, I'm going to go through this. Or maybe you know a variable. Okay, you don't know that. Okay, up to here, because I didn't cover that. So for example, we have a variable, a value, which is number 1. Okay, it's gonna be 120. I'm going to create another value or variable. Okay, it's going to be, for example, 130. So right now you see these are called variables. Okay, when I move my mouse over it, so it's telling me that it's a variable, and it has its name is value number 1, and it's literal 120. That means it has a value of 120. So that is cool. Now I have this 2 here. So what I can do now, I can use an if condition here to show you the indentation. Okay, so let's use if this val number 1. So you see now the goodness and the benefit of IDE. When I type v, okay, it is suggesting me all the things that maybe I'm going to use. For example, if I'm going to use the value number 1 or value number 2. So before I complete that, I just hit enter. When I hit enter, you see that it is automatically completing that for me. So this is one of the goodness of the IDE. Okay, it's very user friendly, it's helping me, it is saving a lot of time and much more. So here I'm going to add a condition. For example, val number 2 and colon, hit enter. And another goodness, another benefit of this, when I hit enter, it's adding the space or indentation automatically. You see that the mouse, the cursor is moved 4 space here. Okay, that means it looks like I hit a tab here, but I didn't hit any kind of tab or something here or any space. It automatically indented that, okay, for me. So here let's print that the val number 1 is greater. Okay, and hit enter, and then hit 1 backspace to go here and search for else. Try with else again. I have the indentation automatically, and then I'm going to print the other one, which is a value number 2. This one is greater. Okay, so perfect. Now if I use Control S to save it, and I'm going to run it from this one. When I hit enter, you see that val number 2 is greater. Okay, so you see that val number 2 is greater. It's 120 30. So I'm going to change it to 110. Again, when I run this, and you see that the value number 1 is greater this time. So now you see, now you learn the indentation in a better way. Okay, when we use some condition statements, some for loops, okay, loops that could be for loop, while loop, and other complex thing, this indentation come inside, and it's very important. Okay, if I remove the indentation of this one, you see the IDE itself is automatically detecting that it is giving me error. See, we have the red line. It's telling me that expected indented block play. So this one. Now if I just hit 1 tab, and you will see that automatically that red line underline is gone now. Okay, when I run it again, this time you see that the value number 1 again greater. So you see that like this. So it is how we can use indentation within the IDE. I hope you understand the indentation in a easy way. Okay, so